Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix WhatsApp notification problem. Well, there are a couple of common fixes for your WhatsApp notifications, and they are as follows. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your device setting right over here. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and look for notifications. Inside of your notification settings, you want to simply go ahead and find your WhatsApp. And inside of your WhatsApp application, make sure that allow notification is turned on, both are, or all, or enabled on all three. So lock screen, notification center, banners, and so on. You can even announce notifications if you want to. You can also click on WhatsApp notification settings down here, and this will take you straight to your WhatsApp notification setting. This is where you want to enable all of these right over here. You can also select different sounds. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings one more time, head into general, and then scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and reset all settings. Sometimes your application might have changed some settings that could be causing this problem. The final thing you want to do is simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your WhatsApp. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.